So this is how we make tacos. First, I started off with cutting off those peppers. I used the red pepper and one yellow pepper. Then started off with cutting off that onion, used about half an onion. Then I added some olive oil, some garlic, and some ginger into my saucepan. Stirred it up a little bit, let it sizzle. Then I added the onions, sauteed that, added some paprika, then some parsley, then some basil, and some salt, a little bit of curry, and now some black peppercorn. Stirred that all up into the pot, had it sauteed for some more, and now we're adding some soy, 2 packets of soy, because Isabel's a vegetarian, so we make vegetarian tacos for dinner. In a separate pan, I added some thyme leaves and some olive oil, then some ground cumin, had that all sauteed in. Then I added the peppers, had them sauteed in for about 5 minutes. Now we got the packs of seasoning from the taco kits too. I dumped the peppers into the vegetarian meat, added some cinnamon, and then now I'm gonna add the seasoning kit from the taco packets. So I added both of them and gave everything a good stir. So now I added some ketchup. Like to add some ketchup, gives it this little sweet taste. And now I cut up some chives, add the chives into the meat. Give it a good stir. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes, and now we have our vegetarian taco meat sauce. Prep the iceberg lettuce, and we're gonna make our taco. First, some guacamole on a hard taco shell, the meat sauce. Now we add the iceberg lettuce on, a little bit of cheese, and now we go.
So good.